Good morning,
Good
madam.
morning, ma'am.
అరే నువ్వు రాలేదా రాలేదు
నేను వీడియో పెట్టలే, నువ్వు తీసేయి.
వీడియో తీసేయమంట
పెట్టగద్దా.
Do you have textbooks, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Children, now
No,
we are
ma'am.
going to start about the English syllabus. So already yesterday I tells about what is that first one. First chapter goes to personality development. So in that personality development, first we don't know that personality development. Madam, what is that one personality development? So we are discussing about little bit of personality development. What is that one, Nani? In that English way, Vyaktitva Vikasam. So what is that one Vyaktitva Vikasam? Personality development. So first, after I explain briefly, Nani, first I write on the personality development chapter name.
Okay, ma'am.
Personality development. So this is our first chapter. So first chapter. So every lesson chapter before in our textbook one face sheet is there. What is that one? Face sheet. What is the meaning of face sheet? Face sheet is it is helps to understand the lesson theme. What is that one? Face sheet. Actually this means face sheet picturization. Picturization. So picturization, why they are given to picturization? It is helpful to lesson theme. So easily we can understand the lesson theme, means lesson title. One of the example we are taken, one movie name is there. What is that one movie name? What is the one? Rebel. Rebel means it is the main hero. Rebel means hero is very strongest person. He is faced very so many high means it is faced means birth to death, up to death he faced so many problems. That's why we are called rebel. So that is the title of rebel. So same like this here, picturization also tells like that personality development. So what is that one? Face sheet picturization. I showing to some pictures in this personality development lesson. What is that one? First one. Once see here, all of you children. So these are the picturization. What is that one? First picture goes to Sudha Chandran. Her name was Sudha Chandran. So why they are given to Sudha Chandran picture? He is also one of the like the personality development, one physically handicapped. What is that one? Without legs means one what is that one? Plastic legs. She achieved her goal, means she became a good dancer. Who's that one? Sudha Chandran. Next one, Stephen Hawking. Next picture goes to, what is that one, Nani? Once observe with on your textbook, all of you. Second picture, and see here. After you first see here and observe my words. After look your textbooks, Nani. Second one, Stephen Hawking. Who is he? He is also
Scientist.
physically, mentally, very. He is also one of the handicapped to like that, and he is also became one of the great scientists. Means, do you know that 2014 or 16 he was dead? He is also one of the famous scientists. Next, then go to Helen Keller. Helen Keller, are you hear about three names? Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking, Helen Keller, children?
Yes,
Keller,
ma'am.
one of the
No.
famous. Are you here his name? Helen Keller. So one homework I given. tomorrow I explain the Helen Keller. Which field she was famous? You find it tomorrow tells Helen Keller. Okay, na? This is the one work I given to you.
Okay,
All.
ma'am.
Yes, children, after completion of the picturization, after completion of the face sheet, we are going to discuss about the one of the famous person. So who's that person? So we are entering the lesson after I tells his name. Who's that one? Who's what he was doing? How can I he was became the famous person? So he became what he was became to what he was. How can I he was became to famous? So why we are discussing about to that person? Why he was a handicapped. How I tells like that handicapped? Physically handicapped. Physically means without legs, without arms, he became a good person. How? In which field he was became a good person? So after we are entering briefly, we are discussing about that person. Who's that person? So his name was, after entering I tells his name. So first altitude is altitude. So I write on the blackboard. A reading. We are going to first chapter to A reading. Attitude. Listen carefully, Nani. I pronounce the words, each and every word. Listen carefully. Attitude is altitude. Altitude. What is that one? Attitude. What is the meaning of altitude? Attitude is your behavior, your character, how to move with to others, how to talk with to others, your friends, your colleagues, whatever. So it is showing to your character. So I talk to harshly to others. How are you? How can I help you? Like this, my expression and my politely I talk to others, so he can receive very, very politely. I talk too harshly, so it's showing to my character. So here, attitude meaning goes to character and behavior. Okay, now? Character and behavior. Behavior and altitude. Altitude is you talk with to others politely. What they thought, Nani, what they thought our mind. So she is very good girl. She is very, very honest girl. She knows that means she knows that how can I give to respect to others. They thought like that. So you talk politely, they received very, very politely. You talk harsh to others, they also receive too harshly, and again they also feel like that yes, he is very, he's are very bad or worst girl. That's why she talk like this. So altitude. So your character showing to good or so you can growing to high, no, low. So it is became achieve a high level. Here altitude is high level position. So this is showing to position. High position. Here we discuss about the one famous person. So that person character behavior show that person character behavior show means he's become a high position. How it is became to high position? How now also we also call it to great person. How we are call it to great person? Is doing any work to what is that? In our society, he is doing any work, he is doing any service to people. That's why we are called to great person. No. Without, I am not reveal the person name. So this is our lesson theme meaning. Now are you understand? I hope you all are understand. Very briefly I explain attitude is altitude meaning. Okay na Nani?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
attitude is attitude complete. Is
Attitude.
there any doubts?
No, madam.
Yes.
No,
So
ma'am.
next, I hope you are not, after completion of in our lesson, you ask with me, is there any doubt? Okay, Nani? Do you have textbooks,
Okay,
all
madam.
of you once showing? Show like this?
No, madam. I don't have.
How
I
many
don't have,
students
madam.
have the textbooks?
No, madam. I didn't have textbook. I have the textbook, ma'am.
Who
Madam, I
has
don't
the
have
textbook?
textbooks.
Say to yes or
Madam,
no.
I
One
don't have
person say,
textbook.
anyone say to yes or no, I have the textbook.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, madam.
You don't
No,
worry,
madam.
Nani.
Yes, ma'am.
Each and you don't worry about tomorrow you brought those not in my subject, all those books you brought it. Okay, na? So
Okay, madam.
I read each and every word to briefly and I showing to lines also. Okay, na?
Okay,
Yes.
madam. Okay, madam.
Yes. So I put on like this. Don't worry, Nani. I showing to line by line and explain. Are you hear my voice?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
clearly visible to lines, Nani, textbook?
No, somewhat, madam. No, ma'am.
Now once
Shaking
check
hand.
with on your mobile. Clearly visible to my textbook.
No, ma'am.
Now,
No, madam.
now, listen, children. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning. Just imagine, children, without arms. Are you stretching your eyes in the morning, early morning? It is possible?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So, if you
No,
just
ma'am.
imagine it, so it is not possible to like that. To help you scratch the edge, if you have the any scratching in your body parts, it is without arms, it is possible to, are you stretching?
No.
It is not possible.
Madam.
And to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones, if you feel very happy, so one day, if you feel very happily, so are you go to hug with others? So without arms, it is possible to hugging?
No, madam.
No. So without arms, hug to others, it is not possible. Next one, imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street. So one day you go to the street. So I in my I place you are there. So you are there in the playground. So are you look at the one football? That time what are you doing, Nani? Are you kick the football? Are you strongly
Football.
forcefully kick the football? So without legs, it is possible? No, it is not possible
No,
to
madam.
without legs kicking. So like this, Nani, without arms, without legs, we are not kick the football. So it is not possible to like this. And next, to walk or run. Without legs, are you walk possible? Are you walking possible?
No, madam.
No. Without legs
No, madam.
and running. To walk fastly, it is possible? No.
No, ma'am.
Running, without legs, walking, it is not possible. To bicycle
Possible.
or skateboard. Without legs, we are playing any games? We are using any vehicles?
No,
we are
madam.
going to one place to another place. So we are using so many different vehicles and we are go to our places. So without legs, it is also not possible. And to get from one point to other point, it is not possible. So here they given 2 points. First point, without arms, we are not doing any other work. Without legs, we can't doing any other work. So this point 1 and point 2, 2 points we are using to, we are very necessary to legs and arms. So without legs, without arms, we cannot doing any other work. So here, imagine. So here they given, just if you imagine, without legs, without arms, it is not possible to this, we are not complete any other work. So Nick Vujicic has faced it in his life. So here Nick Vujicic, so this is the pronoun Nani. So simple now here Nick Vujicic, they call me Nick Vujicic, both name you can call it. So Nick Vujicic, so who's that person? Great person. Before I tell that name, now I tell that name. Greatest person, Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic also faced so many problems. So he was faced so many problems. After he will become a great person. Okay, so he is also without arms, without legs. He faced so many problems. What are they? So before we are discussing, so now we are going to next line. We are going to discuss. Have you heard something like this before? So without arms, without legs, people, we are observing where, Nani, in which places? So any temple areas we are observing. Without arms, without legs, so we called beggars. So beggars, they tells like that, I don't have the legs, please give some amount of money. So like this we are observing in our surrounding areas. So that person beggar. So same like this beggars. So same like this, one of the greatest person to here, the given Nick Vujicic person. So after he will become a greatest person. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and no legs. So he was at birth. He was born with no arms, no legs. But he does not let the details stop him. So he doesn't worry about like that. I don't have the legs, I don't have the arms. So he can't, every day he can't feel like that one. What he can do it, what he can showing to other society and others, means our family, he achieved that one and became that field. So what is that field? What is that one? He chose that achieve. What is achieving? What is he was achieving that one? We are discussing the bravery. Nick Vujicic, 26 years old, who is mainly torso. Torso mean what is that one? Torso, without legs, without arms. Without legs, without arms, we are calling torso. Without legs, arms people, we are calling torso. Only body, center of the only body is there. So arms, hands, both hands and legs not are there. Only torso means center of the body only. He can utilize it and he can become it. He can achieve that goal. So he can achieve it and after then he can show that one. Who is mainly torso, play football. So without legs, it is possible to playing to football, children? No, he is not. He doesn't worry about without legs. I have it without legs, so I did not play the football. He did not feel like that. He wanted to play the football. He is showing that one. So he played the football and golf also and swim also and surf. Despite having no limbs. Here, Nani, grammar topic also is a despite, even though, although, despite, even, have no limbs. Limbs means without arms, without legs. Despite, ainappatiki, కాళ్ళు చేతులు హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్ లేనప్పటికీ he was played the football and golf and swim and surf. Means how many playing he was played? Football. Tomorrow I ask Vitan based upon this chapter. So football, golf, next swim, surf. So he played despite even no limbs, means without arms, without legs. He was played to football, golf, swim, surf. So you what I thought, yes, he was a very greatest person. One thing, Nani, he was maintained to positive thinking. He always think about to positivity. He always goes to positive way. That's why what he wanted to, he became that one, he achieved that one. So here Nick has very small foot. So once observe this picture, Nani, all of you observe this picture, how it is showing this. He was a very torso. This is the torso. This is the torso, without arms, without legs. Torso. So we called a torso person. So this is the torso, Nick Vujicic body part. So once observe it, he has a small foot. He has a small foot on his swim, and on his left hip, which help him balance and enables to him to kick. How it is football and other game, how he was playing like this. Put on the both shoulders are there na, small shoulders, not in shoulders, torso body is there na. So he put like this, and center of the put on the football, and he play like this. So he liked the game first of all. Children, you also learn one thing based upon Nick Vujicic story. What is that one? First, you put on interest. Is there any problem? That is not a problem. We are not feeling like that. First, you are put on the interest. So we achieving easily that one. We can doing easily that one. So here they given Nani enable to him to kick. So he put on like this football, and like this he play the game. And he uses his one foot to type. And like this, that without we know that Nick Vujicic don't have the legs. Again he trying to play the games and write with a pen, pick thing up between his toys. So he is put on the interest, and he, yes, I wanted to play the game, this game. So I showing to like this. So first you put on the interest and do the hard work. He also do the hard work. He don't feel like that, and I don't have legs. He don't feel like that. That's why he very easily play the games. Okay, now we have the legs. We don't know the swim. We don't know the surf game. We don't know the here the given golf game. So I have the both legs and both arms, but I don't know that how it is playing to golf and surf. But he knows that he knows those how many games: football, golf, swim, surf. So 4 games he like it first of all. You also like the subject first of all, and put hard work, do hard work. Finally, it is very easily achieve your goals, Nani. So based upon the Nick Vujicic story, not in my words, I showing to one example to Nick Vujicic story. After that, I tells like that. You also follow the in every history he was a give the some message to who read the story, that person. So here also one of the, we feel like that this is the one of the greatest story to about to Nick Vijay Singh. So we learn some new things to Nick Vijay Singh story. Okay, na? Yes. So this is a very inspiring story. Not in the, you don't feel like this is the lesson. Don't feel like that this is the story. Madam tells the about Nick Vijay Singh story. You learn the Nick Vijay Singh story, and after learn the new thing to inspiring to Nick Vijay Singh lifestyle. Next, then go to Nani. I call it my chicken dumpster. So he jokely means he have a very funny jokes played to others. So like that he tells like, I call it my body means my leg chicken drumstick. How it is there chicken drumstick? You know that chicken. Do you like the chicken? How it is showing like the leg piece? So he funny means he create a joke to, yes, my leg is chicken drumstick. It is there any problem to you? So he create our environment like that and create a one humorous to other people comment to Nick Vijay Singh. That time Nick Vijay Singh create a one funny jokes. Yes, I call it my leg chicken, not in legs. These are the chicken drumstick. So he create a one humorous that time. So here, who was born in Melbourne? So this is the grammar sentence formation. Who was born in Melbourne, Australia? So he was, Nick Vijay Singh was born in Australia in Melbourne, and but now lives Los Angeles. Where he was now living, he born Australia to Melbourne, but now he living in Los Angeles. Next,
Los Angeles.
Lost without it. Okay, na? He lost everything, but he lost everything. I will be lost without it. Where, how it is saying, I lost everything, both hands, both legs. He feel like that? No. But he's saying like that, I lost everything in every day. I can't feel like that. I lost everything means front of the people, they showing like this and they talk like this, but I did not feel like that way to in my life. So Nick Vijay Singh, so this is the 2-3 chapter through 3 paragraph completed. Now only front page we can complete this one, Nani. So you don't have the textbook, please brought the textbooks, Nani. It is very important lesson to the Nick Vijay Singh story. Yes. Next, then go to, due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, Nick has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. So here, this is a, here given Nani, he was a Christian. So he was Christian family. He is a Christian family person. So he born on Christian. So he born on Christian family and to virgin until marriage. So then he is very modest, but he gets moral proposals from women all the time. Said Nick's friend, all publicist Steve Apple from Los Angeles. So many people, different types of people, he can meet him and they comment with him, and he doesn't the matter to take in his life. So many people he can introduce in different football. He was playing football. That place also different types of friends he met him, and what they thought he can't take a mind his mind. He very freely moved to others. They scolded to him. It doesn't matter to take in his mind. Okay, Nani. So what he can do it, what he can show it, that is only one thing he can put on his mind and he can show it. Okay, na? Here and again think he would love to get married. So finally he get a love marriage and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. So he was waiting for so many a long time. He was waiting for what he thought. I get you married only for love marriage. So like that, in his family also very supporting to Nick Vijay. So in every situation, in every incident will happen in his life, parent will give support. Parent always give a motivation to Nick Vijay. That's why he stand a great position now, and that's why we call a great person. So he was a very greatest person. So without family support, without family motivation, it is not possible to that place to Nick Vijay. So next summer, he water sports are not next thing. He also plays golf with club. So club means that golf game. They are playing to golf. So they are using some instrument. That instrument name was club. Okay, na? The instrument name was club. With a club. So he using to sports game in water place, in ice place, whatever, wherever he can wanted to playing, it is doesn't matter to that place. Okay, na? He doesn't feel like that. I doing or not, I can playing or not, it is possible or not. He that type of thinking is not put on in his mind. What he wanted to, that he is showing that one, and that he in that that he wanted to showing there, and he happily playing to all these games, football, goal, sauce, and swimming also. Yes. Next then goes to when, where, and Nick Vijay father name, mother name. So small little bit of small passages are there. So that small passage after completing our lesson, and tomorrow we are going to next chapter. Tucked under his chin, and he a huge fan of the English Premier League. So he played a game. What is that one? Before I discuss what is that one, Nick thing also plays a golf. Where golf game playing in the water. So that water he was playing. How he can playing like the both shoulder put on the chin like this. He was playing like this, and he wanted to means Premier League. He showing there her talent. After then he huge fan of the, and he is huge fan of the that English Premier League. So easily every game and every situation, a very hard situation he can face it easily. He can break that one and easily solve the problems, and easily he can show, he can prove that talent. So it is Nick Vujicic. Small first passage in first front page is completed. Tomorrow goes to next page, Nani. So please, one request to all, please brought the textbook first of all. Children, are you hear my voice? I hope. Please first of all brought the textbook. And again I give the one suggestion. After completion one page, completion this lesson, you read at home, must and should. This is the most important to attitude is altitude lesson. Don't go, Nani. Wait. Help me. Add చేసిన కొద్దిమందిని మరి సార్ మర్చిపోయి ఓకే ఓకే yes children, are you there in the online, all of you, total 12 members?
Yes, madam.
16 members.
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Uma, only 45 minutes only class is there. Okay, na? I discuss about this topic only 45 minutes. After completion of the 45 minutes, don't go to outside. Okay, na?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Only 45 minutes only showing to the mobile, only 45 minutes. So you wait on that moment, Nani. After completion 45 minutes, we can add it. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
After you all are joining, after 45 minutes completion in our class, this class, not in my class, other class also, you join the online after completion 45 minutes. All of you keep on your mind, Nani. Okay, na?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt, children?
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
First read the lesson. Okay, na?
Okay,
First
ma'am.
read the lesson. First read the lesson. Only this page. Today only this page only we are completing. After, are you reading? Is there any doubt of the words? You put on the number like this
And-
circle. Okay, na? Varshini,
Madam.
read the lesson.
Okay, madam.
Okay, na, sir. Children, don't go, Nani. After 15 minutes, next class, biological class, then start it. Children,
Yes,
are you,
ma'am. Yes, madam.
after English class, biological class, now start on only 50 after 15 minutes.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Oh, yes.